thank you for watching my videos. And before proceeding, I would like you to please subscribe my channel uh, so that you can get regular updates. Thank you so much. Let's move on. So today I will just touch upon one small topic, that is how does Azure work with Office 365. Okay, so while Azure can be a standalone subscription, where you go and buy, right, Azure subscription using in portal.azure.com, and then you click on sign up. It is part of an Office 365 subscription as well. So when you buy an Office 365 subscription, you get a Azure subscription also by default. Okay. So in other words, if you have paid Office 365 subscription, you are using Azure services. Okay. And Office 365 users are using the Microsoft Entra to manage entities. Okay, so Entra makes it possible to sync passwords and set up single sign-on in the cloud, hybrid, and on-premises configurations. Okay, and how to get Azure subscription from Azure from Office 365 account? Some businesses might need virtual machines and other Azure services which might not be part of their plan, right? Such users may purchase an Azure subscription and use it along with their Office 365 plan, provided it is supported. Okay, so here is how you can get the Azure subscription with your Office 365 password, username and password. So you just have to go to azure.com and log in. Okay, type in the about you screen, click sign up. Okay, so getting an Azure Office 365 subscription using Azure account. It's equally easy for an organization with an Azure account to purchase an Office 365 subscription. Any account that has a global admin or billing admin permissions in Entra can be used for signing up for Office 365. Okay, so this is how you purchase a Office 365 product. Okay, so this is the other way around. So here we had the Office 365 and then we visited the Azure.com. Okay. So differences between a Microsoft 365 and Azure. So Microsoft 365 is a SaaS product, software as a service. Means it is a software service you pay to use as you would for any other subscription-based service. Okay. Microsoft Azure is another enterprise cloud platform with a much wider range of capabilities. So Azure is cloud-based infrastructure rather than just software. So Microsoft 365 just provides you software as a service based on a subscription model. Okay. But here in Azure you get more than that. You get the infra as well. So you can spin up your infra virtual machines and other things, and you can deploy your code as well in Azure. So Azure has infra as a service and platform as a service component both. Okay, so this is the difference between Microsoft 365 and Azure. So when using cloud computing services, the data is not stored in the company servers. Azure stores data in one of the many Microsoft data centers across the globe. Microsoft Entra Editions and Microsoft 365 Identity Management. So if you have a paid subscription to Microsoft 365, you also have a free Entra subscription. Okay, so this is very important. Again, you can use Entra to create and manage user and group accounts. To activate this subscription, you have to complete a one-time registration. Okay. Afterward, you can access Microsoft Entra ID from your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Okay. So these are the instructions. So how do you register your free Microsoft Entra subscription? So do not go directly to azuremicrosoft.com to sign up, because you will get a trial or paid subscription to Microsoft Azure that is separate from your free Microsoft Entra subscription with Microsoft 365. So this you have to be careful on this. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.